How's it going, y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom keys on your Sony camera. In the video, I'm going to be using a Sony a7C, but this goes for literally almost any Sony camera that's out there right now. All right, let's get started. So we're going to go straight into the menu, and we're in the menu system of the Sony a7C, and it's in the, let's go to the movie folder here and keep going. I think it's coming up right here. So custom option 1. So if you look here, you'll notice that all 3 of these say custom key. If you look closer, you'll notice that the first one has like a mountain, like a landscape that represents photos. The next one represents video, like you see that movie strip. So the first one represents photo mode. So you can customize any button that's on here while you're in the photo mode. The next one is while your camera's in movie mode. The buttons that you customize in photo mode can do something entirely different when they're in movie mode. And the last one just allows you to customize just a few buttons, not a lot, but they work in both photo and in video mode. So let's start with the custom key photo option. So we're going to hit the first option here. So on the left-hand side represents where the buttons physically are, and on the right represents what the buttons are currently doing when actuated. So there's a lot. So we can even customize the record button up top. We even can customize the buttons on the lens. Most lenses, like this one here, has a button right there. And that button can be programmed to do whatever. So right now, I want to find a setting that I want to just use on the fly while I'm taking pictures. So let's do that right now. I'm going to change this setting into drive mode. So when I press the trash can while I'm in photo mode, I want to be able to pick how fast my shutter is. I can even set up a self timer with this option here. So now that we played around with custom keys in photo mode, let's play around with custom keys in video mode and find a setting that we want to be able to access a lot quicker. All right, so now let's go to custom keys for video. Let's pick that same button, the trash can button, and let's pick USB streaming. So now I'll be able to set my camera up for USB streaming by just pressing one button. USB streaming is a feature that's in a lot of most recent Sony cameras, and you have to dig into the menus to actually get it going. But now all I have to do is just press one button. That's pretty dope. Hope y'all enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Hope y'all have fun with it. It is really, really dope. Oh, there's one more actual custom key. And with the Sony a7C, there's not that many options that you can actually change with it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. So we're going to hit the last custom key, and the only buttons you can change are the function button and the movie button. And the movie button, you can make it do not too many things, but just simple little options, nothing too crazy. All right, hope y'all enjoyed this quick tutorial. I really use this option all the time, especially when I'm doing any type of video shoot, production, wedding, anything. To be able to customize your device, it's really a game changer, and it expands your creativity so your camera can actually be your own. All right, hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day. Peace.